Can we save a body in a multi-body part as an individual part or separate part? For example, this is a simple two-body part that has two bodies, this rectangular and this slotted part. So our question is that can we convert this part or any body or can save a body as a part? Answer is yes. Yes, we can save a body of a multi-body part as a separate file. So first of all, please make download of this resource file and open it in Solidworks. In order to convert a body into part, just right click on a body and select insert into new part option. Here you are transferring a body as a part. So browse your location where you want to save it and give it a specific name. That is a slot. Save. You can see the slot part has been opened in a new window. This means that this is a single body individual part. So in this way we can convert a body into a new part. And our next question is that what happened if we make changes in the original part or multi-body part? Are these changes are going to be affected on this child part? Let's see what happened. In the feature manager tree, you can see there are no feature. This is simple. Again, go to its parent part. We make a cut on this slotted part and see what happened. Add equal relation and assign its dimensions. Okay, make extrude cut. Make it blind to 0.3 inch. So just update it and now go to individual part. Here you can see that an update is due. So just update. So you can see as we make changes in the parent part or multi-body part, the child part has also been affected. In this way we can make changes on a child part indirectly by making changes in origin part. So please make a practice of saving a body as a separate part and then making changes in multi-body part. And our next question is that what happened if we make changes in individual part? For example, we make a circle here and extrude it. Okay, update it. Let's see what happened in multi-body part or its parent part. You can see the parent part has not affected by making changes in its child part. So three concepts we have covered today. First was that how we can convert a body into an individual part, and second concept was that how we can make changes on the child part, and third was that if we make changes on child part, will it be affected on its original part? Answer was no. So please make a practice of this exercise. Thank you.